Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. You guys have been hauling so many amazing things that have been popping up in Dollar Tree, so of course I had to go check mine out, and I picked up quite a few things and time to share. So the first thing I picked up was a paddle brush. I love these. They just don't make my hair, they don't pull or tug on my hair. So, and it says that they're regularly $5, but I don't know. Maybe if you buy them like at a supermarket or something, they'll probably cost like $5, but for $1, not bad. And I love that it says, "I'm really a unicorn." So cute. I also picked up some notepads because you guys know that Dollar Tree always has the cutest notepads. And this was such a cute little like set. I got this pineapple one. It says "one fine apple," and it's like dimensional. You guys see that? So cute. So I picked that one up. I picked this one up that says "no drama llama." Some puffy stickers. These are cute. I picked up, this is like a, what is it, like a journaling notebook. And these are good to give in Happy Mail gifts. And then I picked up another notebook. This one has like a little binder thingy, and it's holographic. And these are like stickers on it, like little cardstock stickers on it. So cute. I love that little set. And then I got one more notebook, which is this one, and it's the unicorn with the little like dimensional glasses. Let me see if I can take it out of the plastic. See that? How cute is that? Oh, look, with the glasses you open it up. Oh, no wonder. Look, you see what happens when you open things up? That is too cute. Then I picked up a basket just to put, sometimes when I make a bunch of embellishments before I package them up, I need a little basket to put them in. So I got this one in a hot pink. Let me grab my bag because there's a bunch of stuff in here. I got these cute little ice cream bowls because they come with the little spoons, and I thought it'd be fun to use them to make like sequence mixes and also eat ice cream out of them. I always have my hair up in a clip, so I picked up these like rainbow like little clips. I picked up this cute little ring holder. Isn't that cute? I can put my earrings on there and put it on my dresser. I bought two little pouches because I plan to personalize them and send them off in some Happy Mail. I got this little pack of sticky notes. How cute is this? Bacon, eggs, and waffles. Isn't that cute? And then I got some of this like floral wire. I didn't have the purple, so I picked up purple. And then I picked up red, I think. It should be in here somewhere. You guys know that I always pick up the Barbie hair detangler. They didn't have it this time. They had this one, and it smells so good. So I picked up two of those. I love to spray that on my hair when I come out the shower. It smells so nice. I picked up this cute little sign, and it looks like this. Perfect for summer now. It says fruit stand, lemonade, strawberry picking. Isn't that cute? And then I picked up one more, and it's this one, and it says "Oh Sweet Summer." And they had like two different designs, but I love this one. This one is so cute. And then I got 2 packs of glue sticks because you always need glue sticks. And this is another pad to that llama set. It says "No Drama Llama." And then I found these cute little peel and stick decals, and you could put it on your cell phone. Isn't that cute? So I got those. I got this pad. It's a cute little owl. I love the pages that they're yellow. So cute. You guys know me. I love owls. Here's the red one that I picked up. And then I seen these being hauled, so I got a pack of like well, not a pack, a little pink container. They come in yellow and purple. I picked up the pink ones. They also had this Eileen's original tacky glue, so I picked one up to try. I'm gonna be making some cute little summer clips with my Arteza acrylic paints, so stay tuned for that video. That'll be coming soon. And then of course you can't go to Dollar Tree and not pick up some snacks, so I picked up some dinner mints and some Jelly Bellies. And then they had these cute little, this one is a lip gloss with a little holder, and it reminded me of the ones from Bath and Body. Look at that little rainbow, isn't that cute? To throw in as a gift in Happy Meal. And then this little antibacterial that says Tootsie Roll. Look at that. And they have a bunch. They have like, my wife loves sanitizers, and she got all different types, like all, I think there's Tootsie Roll, there's Sugar Daddy, there was just a bunch, you guys. And yeah, so I think, oh, and I almost forgot, I also came across this little binders. Binder mail is very popular right now in the community, so of course I want to make some. I have an upcoming swap, and I picked up these two colors as well. But yeah, you guys, that is my dollar, I think. I keep forgetting something. And then I got this, which is kind of like a paper cutout. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I thought it was cute. I thought I could make them into shakers and put them in some like summer mail if I make any. But I think that's it. That is my haul from Dollar Tree, right? Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.